Respected President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, Mr. Shafkat Mirziyoyev, I am the head of the Singapore company Profil Trading Private Limited, Mohammed Ali Prem Nazir. I had appealed to you to the UN about the gross violation of laws by the prosecution authorities during the investigation of the criminal case opened against the director of the limited liability company Tibiyot Dunyose, Buriev Aslan, who misappropriated our goods through fraud. At present, a second criminal case has been initiated against the executive staffs of the Tibiyot Dunyose Limited liability company. The preliminary investigation is being carried out by the officials of the Department for Combating Organized Crime and Corruption of the Tashkent City Prosecutor's Office. During this period, Buriev has committed such action that in his actions the signs of crime were established, consisting of disclosing state secrets, which are indicated in Chapter 9 of the Criminal Code, which are included in the category of offences against the Republic of Uzbekistan. Yes, you heard it right. With a higher degree of probability, Buriev, as a result of his own negligence, divulged the state secrets entrusted on him. And this is already a crime, which is indicated in Article 162 of the Criminal Code of Republic of Uzbekistan. Due to the fact that the preliminary investigation is ongoing in the newly opened criminal case against the executive staffs of Tibiyot Dunyose, I cannot describe in detail the circumstances of the disclosure of state secrets by Buriev. The law does not allow me to do this. I would like to draw your attention to another very important factor. According to the Uzbek laws, in particular in accordance with the Article 332 of the Criminal Procedure Code, in the event that a new crime is established during the investigation of one criminal case, part of the criminal case on this fact is separated into a separate proceeding with the initiation of a criminal case. And that is not complete. Article 345 of the Criminal Procedure Code clearly states that the preliminary investigation of such a crime as disclosure of state secrets specified in Article 162 of the Criminal Code of the Republic of Uzbekistan, based on jurisdiction, should be carried out by the investigators of the State Security Service of the Republic of Uzbekistan. To put it simply, the investigator of the Tashkent City Prosecutor's Office, who currently has the criminal case of Tibiyot Dunyose on a crime in the field of economic activity, should continue to investigate himself, and a new criminal case on the disclosure of state secrets by Buriev, he must hand over it to the investigators of the State Security of the Republic of Uzbekistan. However, the investigator has not yet fulfilled the requirements of the law, and to be more precise, is not going to fulfill it at all. How is it? Now what? This time it is the turn for the prosecutor office of the city of Tashkent to violate my legal rights? The failure of the Tashkent City Prosecutor Office to comply with the requirement clearly defined by the law indicates that the prosecutor office is making attempts to save Buriev from punishment. The initially planned superficial attitude on the part of officials of the prosecutor's office of the city of Tashkent on Buriev's illegal actions does not end there. In particular, the General Prosecutor Office of the Republic of Uzbekistan, the Prosecutor's Office of the city of Tashkent was instructed to consider our appeal regarding the presentation of the Prosecutor Office on the basis of Article 49 of the Economic Procedure Code, a statement of claim to the Economic Court to recover from Tibiyot Dunyose the existing debt to our company Profil Trading. However, the Prosecutor Office of the city of Tashkent and later the Prosecutor Office of the Shaikhantaur region, for various far-fetched reasons, are delaying the decision to the issue of filing a statement of claim from the Prosecutor's Office to the Economic Court. Respected Shafkat Miramanovich, recent events and circumstances have indicated that only with your help we can find a legal solution to your issue. In this regard, I earnestly request you to help to restore my violated rights as well as help to find a legal solution for the two issues which will be stated below. One of them, to provide assistance on presentation on the basis of Article 49 of the Economic Procedure Code by the Prosecutor's Office of the city of Tashkent to file a claim suit in the Economic Court for the recovery of the existing debt from Tibiyot Dunyose. Second, I earnestly request you to help to transfer the criminal case initiated under Article 162 of the Criminal Code of the Republic of Uzbekistan on the disclosure of state secrets by Buriev based on the investigative jurisdiction for a preliminary investigation to the State Security Service of the Republic of Uzbekistan. Thanking you. With great respect to you, sir, the head of the Singapore company Profil Trading Private Limited, Mohammed Ali Prem Nazir.